It all started in old kitchen of my grandmother's while I was still young. We used to bake scones and we used to bake some muffins. That's where I started to connect with food. From there, it instilled who I am as a chef. I love my granny to bits. So it's like when I wake up in the morning, I can't wait to get into the kitchen because I will put all my emotions, I will put all my heart into what I'm doing. And spending the whole day up there, it just makes me complete. If I'm out of the kitchen, I feel like something is missing. And the more you do it, it becomes a lifestyle. It becomes something that you can't live without. So it is not about a recipe. The quality of the ingredients is quite important. But the most important part of it is the chef putting the heart into what she's doing or what he's doing. Food can tell, as I believe the food has got soul. The food can speak in many ways. You've got flavors and you connect with what you see on the plate. One thing that drives me is seeing people engaging on your food, intrigued by the flavors, mesmerized on how you come up with some bold flavors into the food, and seeing people smiling, people asking recipes, giving them that whole experience they've never had before. I've been fortunate enough to get an opportunity to travel the world, and I've been in the States, traveled the Caribbean, I've traveled part of Europe. I did work with some French chefs, which is also recognized as master chefs. When I went to America, I thought I had a dream job, but I got demoted from a junior sous chef position to a trainee. I said I cannot make it, and my executive chef, he told me, if ever I want to be the best, I need to face a challenge. I had to self-motivate myself. I have to be hungry for anything that is happening around me, to absorb as much as I can. And out of it all, was an employee of the year. Out of the 1,500 employees, as I came back from overseas, I ended up working for And Beyond. I thought I would give it a try for a year, end up with And Beyond for 5 years. With And Beyond, there's this special place when it comes to the culture of the people, the room for growth, and I believe I'll find my home as a chef. Being closer to nature, it just brings the best out of me. Sometimes I will think of something just out of the blue by looking into a flower, and it just intrigued me to come up with some different ideas. It's time to give back to the chefs that I'm working with. They are from the local villages around. I've brought my international experience back to my fellow countrymen who didn't get opportunity to see and experience that. The And Beyond Academy is something that we developed to get the chefs certified, to be recognized in the nationwide. The modules are based on what they are doing at work every day. The chef will have to do their self-studies, and then we will sit every Sunday between lunch and dinner service to revert back to their challenges. I'm gonna do the assessment once the guys finish up their modules to move to the next qualification. One thing that I want to give, or when I look back in 20 years' time, is to see those people that have groomed up, those people that became qualified chefs, to be able to carry the same skill to the next generation. So it will be a living legacy.